Okay, so we were done with a few steps like selecting the post, setting up the objectives, the audience. Now we are going towards the budget and duration. So it only depends upon you how much budget you like to put in yourself, or how many people you like to target. You can definitely go ahead and select the budget. I would like to go for $5 a day. That is not bad. And you can Facebook is directly showing us that the ad is going to reach around 200 to 400 people in a day. But it's really important to first set up the number of days you want to run your ad for. So I just want to run my ad for one single day, and you can see that the number of people that I would be reaching in a day would have increased. That's a lot. And I would like to run my ad. Let's see, today is 2nd of November. It would run till 3rd of November. Okay, perfect. So as much as budget you want, you can add it. If I put it on a $50, you could see that it's a really big audience that I could reach every single day. And if I'm reaching out these number of people in a day, I'm pretty much sure I'll be having a lot of leads from these people. People will be messaging us, and a lot of things would be going on, so it's totally worth it. But for start, I want you to start small. I'm gonna go ahead with $5 or whatever your currency is. You would be getting the estimated reach within that day. Depending upon what you're getting over here, you can definitely put in your amount. The more the merrier, but I'll start with 5 for myself because this is what I started with a few years back when I was getting started with Facebook ads, and they're really small people. Not a lot of people were doing Facebook ads, so I did a lot of experimentation. So I just suggest that you also do a lot of experimentation when you're running your ad. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, do feel free to contact me. Okay, so you selected the time, and you'd see that automatically I already, since this is an old ad account that I used earlier, so I have already loaded some balance into it. So it's just like that. So you may not see it over here, and it would require, you would be required to add your credit card or any other bank card or details to, for Facebook to process some payments. So you can definitely do that. Once you are ready with everything, just go ahead and click on boost post.